So, guys, it is Monday, June the, now I wrote this all day, 10th, June the 10th, Monday. Last week was such a long week. Oh my God. Okay, the other day I did a stitch fix on one top. I had a credit and it was an orange top with, I was hoping it was a bright orange. It ended up being like a dull orange top that had ruffles right here. And it fit, but to me, it didn't do anything for me. And I sent it back. So I just mailed it today. And this came today too. So let us see what is in here. I think I lost my credit because I was supposed to use it by July 1st. So I just have the credit of whatever I paid for that top minus the $20, which I don't know how soon they're going to end up getting it, and I don't know how much that was. So let us look in our magic envelope. Stitch Fix number 76. And I still have my stylist, Rachel. I really do like her. She pretty much picks out everything that I like. Okay. No. Okay. Everything in this box adds up to $234. Okay. If you buy all of them, you get a 25% discount, which is minus $58.50. So that means the total box would end up being $175.50. And there are 5 tops in this box. So let us begin. 5 tops. Okay. I'm going to pick out the first one. Fortune and Ivy, hazel back detail knit top in navy. Knit. You know I do not like knit. It's $38. Knit to me is very clingy, and I do not like clingy. It don't feel as bad as some of the knit tops I've had. There is the front. Now this is more of a red, it's like a red, white, and blue. I don't feel like it's coming across as good on the camera. Now there's the back. The back is neat. Now I do not have a strapless bra. I need to get one, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. So I guess we do have a Walmart here in our town, and that's basically the only place that I could get one because there is no other place. So I haven't had time to do something like that, to try stuff on. I may think about it Friday. I'm going to take a half a day off, so I will keep that in mind, but I do really need one. I've got a few cute tops that need a strapless one, and I don't have one. Okay, so that was $38. Next, Fortune and Ivy opal knit halter top blue, $38, which would need another strapless bra. I like it. I have a top that's similar. That's kind of a jean. This looks like it's kind of a jean material. I do have a top similar. Maybe I wouldn't need a strapless with this. Because see the back, it's got a keyhole back. I don't know. It doesn't look very wide, but you never know till you try these things on. So the armholes look kind of long. I'm not big on armholes that are hangy that you see a bra in. Okay, now this next one, I really kind of liked it on the app, on the Stitch Fix app. So let's see what it looks like in person. Paper Moon Fayette mixed material blouse in coral, $38. Very good. I was hoping this was a bright color. It is high-low. I'm trying to get something to look good with my tan. Maybe this would. I don't know. Back is plain. Again, I do have to watch these the V-necks. You know, I really don't care what people think about my scarring on my chest. I really don't care what they think. I don't know. I'm not going to go down really far, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So, anyhow. Yeah. Okay, next one. Daniel Rain. Fiona lace detail knit top in teal green, and as you expect, Daniel Rain. This one's $58. I'm not a fan. I can tell you right now. I don't know. I don't think I like this part. I don't know if I like that high neckline. I don't want it to look like a maternity top. I do love the color. I like the color. The back's the same. But some of those you really got to watch so they don't look too maternity type. And it's knit, I could tell. Okay, looks like last but not least, Daniel Rain, Justina pleat detail blouse in blue. Okay, $62. Well, I do have to say, get these tags out of the way. Blue is my favorite color, as you well know. So there's the top. It's the same in the back. It's got a pleat back there. Would this look too blah with jean shorts that are not dark? It might look kind of blah. The color looks kind of gray on the camera, but in real life, it's more of a very light blue. I do like it. I think it's pretty. It's see-through, so you're going to have to wear something underneath it. Yeah, I can't say that I'm wowed by anything in here. Like, oh my God, I can't stand it. I got to try it on. You know, I'm not wowed. And again, like I said, I have something really similar. And in fact, the top that's similar to this, I wore it to my brother's concert last year. So, I mean, it is neat because it would go with jean shorts. It's more blue in person. Again, this teal one, it's knit, it's heavy. This is a very heavy top. This part's cool though. That part's neat. But I don't know. I'm really gonna think, it's knit once again. And this one, I do like it, but is it gonna do anything for me? Is it gonna make me look blah? Not sure. But I will try it. And this one, I'm really not thinking this is going to be, that this is going to be something I'm going to pick just for the fact that it is knit. Okay, the back is really neat though. The back is neat. But you know how I am with knit. I do not like knit tops. So that's all I have for you right now. I'm going to try these on here shortly and see what happens. I really don't see me like loving the whole box. and buying everything in it, but you never know. Sometimes I don't think that a box is going to be that great, and then I love everything in it, and then sometimes, you know, I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to get like a crap load of nice tops and just have them hanging there and I never go I really don't go anywhere. I mean, really, if you want to know the truth, I don't go out. I do have a boyfriend. We don't go anywhere. We go nowhere on weekends. The family stuff that we have is not dressy. Now, I did wear a Stitch Fix top to Mother's Day with a pair of jean shorts. I did do that, just so I wouldn't wear, a t-shirt. And, yeah, I don't really have a function that I am dressed up. So, and I'm not a dress-up person either, you know that. So, anyhow, I'm going to try these on and see where this goes and give you an update. So, we shall see. And I've got, you know what? Strapless bras. Okay. I follow a lot of, how do you say it? Save sites on Facebook. Coupon, not coupon, but oh, there's a deal at Nike, so much % off, or it comes across this thing is so much % off and it's a good deal. I follow stuff like that, like deals, like pages. And there's this one that for the longest time I took a screenshot and saved it. And it was some kind of a strapless bra at Nordstrom. And the site said, oh my God, this is like the best one ever. But it was like $50. And I don't want to spend that much money. But you know what, now I wish I wouldn't have deleted that picture. Because I might, if I'm investing in some of these tops that you can't have straps with, then I might feel fine investing in something that expensive. So that's the breaks, I guess. But all right, I'm going to try these on. I'm going to quit yapping and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching.